Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to change your door handle and the Sonatas. This one is broken and it's missing, but I'm gonna change the front one too so you guys can see how to do it. So first thing first, on the back you want to find this cap right here. So the back is like that and the cap is right here. Alright, go ahead and take this cap out like that. I got the cap out. So what you want to do is look inside there. I don't know if you can see it, but inside there, right there, you got an 8mm. You don't need to take out. While you're taking it out, you need to push on it so it push out the cap. Push out this cap right here. Alright? Push on it so I can push out this cap right here. Alright? I'm going to show you that in a few. Alright, so now I got it turning. I'm pushing on it the same way. As I turn and I'm pushing on it, and you can see it's coming apart like that. And you can see, right? It's coming apart. So now I got that out. And let's shake this off. Alright. So you just pull it forward a little bit, pull it out. So now it's time to get your door handle and put it in like this and slide it forward, alright? Like that. And now it's time to put back your cap and tighten the screws. So I'm going to use my tool for this. So pull this off a little bit. Push the thing. Like that. And like that. So clip into place. Tighten that. A little bit. That's it, my friend. That's how you change your handle. And be careful not to drop your socket in the door. Like what I just did. I gotta take off the door facing, but that's how you change it, my friend.